1. This time a little to your right, please. Sa kanan po tayo. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time sa kaliwa naman. 3, 2, 1. Last. 3, 2, 1. There you have it. Thank you very much. You may now take your seat. Okay. I think they are ready to answer your questions, but before we move on, here's a little reminder. Please refrain from asking insensitive, offensive, and personal questions. We will only entertain questions related to the film.